Hi there, this is Jackie Thomas Teague from Bloom Property Management. I want to talk to you today about a much ignored aspect of bathroom ventilation, and stay tuned to see what it is. So, all bathrooms in rental properties in New Zealand need to have mechanical ventilation. So here's a fan grill here. We've put it quite close to the shower so it catches most of the steam at its source, and it's a reasonable distance from the window. Now, a fan is all well and good, but how does it take air out of the room if the window is shut like this? Well, there's one other way, and that is from the door. No, I'm not saying have people leave the door open while they shower, but think of how air can get into the bathroom. And that is through cutting the bathroom door a little bit higher than you otherwise would, so air can come in here. And there's the fan coming on now. So by allowing the air in here, the air can come through up here, take steam with it, and end up out through the grill into the exterior. So it's pretty simple to trim a door if you need to. Just pop it off its hinges, measure it the appropriate distance, and run across it with a skill saw or something similar, and that'll take care of the problem. So if you've got a bathroom that's steaming up, the fan doesn't seem to be operating, make sure air can get in, and an easy way to do that is just trim the door. Alternatively, you could put a grill on the bottom of the door or something like that to increase airflow, but this is a discreet way to do it. So surprisingly, you do want bathrooms to be drafty through your door and out through your extractor fan. If you want more tips on how to improve your property to make them better, safer, warmer for your tenants, follow me, Jackie at Bloom Property Management.